Do you ever feel like you're listening but not really understanding English? Like the words are flying past your ears? Hi, I'm Jessica. I'm here to guide you through today's episode where we'll unlock simple yet powerful tips to boost your English skills.
And I'm Jack. Together, we'll walk you through real-life tips and stories that'll make English easier and more fun. Today's episode is packed with useful tricks to help you listen better, understand faster, and speak more confidently. Let's dive in. Segment 1. Why listening feels hard and how to fix it.
Let's be real. Listening to English can feel scary. People talk fast. They use words you don't know. And sometimes their accent is just too strong.
Yeah, I remember when I first started learning Spanish, I was like, are they even speaking words? But here's the truth. You don't have to understand every single word to be a good listener.
Exactly. Listening is not about being perfect. It's about catching the main idea. Imagine someone says, "Hey, we're heading to the cafe now. Wanna come?" Even if you only catch cafe, now, come, boom, you understand the meaning.
So how do we improve listening? Here's a simple trick. Start with easy content. TV shows, podcasts, or YouTube videos made for learners like you.
And repeat. Don't just listen once. Replay the same audio 3 or 4 times. Each time, your brain hears more. First time, you catch a few words. Second time, you hear full sentences. Third time, you start understanding how the conversation flows.
It's like watching your favorite movie again. The more times you watch, the more jokes you catch, right?
Totally. And here's another tip. Use subtitles wisely. Watch with English subtitles first, then try without them. You can also pause and repeat one sentence at a time. Slow it down if you need to.
Some apps and videos let you change the speed. Try 0.75x. It helps a lot. All right, so we talked about how to listen. Now let's talk about when.
You don't need 2 hours a day. Even 10 minutes of active listening is powerful.
What's active listening?
It means listening with your full attention, not just playing English in the background while cooking.
Yeah, try this. Every morning while brushing your teeth, play a short English podcast. Or listen while you're on the bus.
Make it part of your day, like brushing your hair or checking your phone. Here's a quick schedule you can follow. Morning, listen to a 5-minute podcast. Afternoon, watch 10 minutes of an English video. Evening, repeat and shadow 3 sentences from that video.
That's less than 30 minutes. And if you do it every day, boom, your ears get stronger.
Also, don't be afraid to listen to the same thing every day for a week. Repetition builds confidence.
Think about babies learning language. They hear hello, how are you 100 times before saying it.
You're not slow. You're learning like a native child does, step by step.
Segment 3, Real Life Listening Challenge.
Let's do a quick listening role play. Jack, you play the native speaker and I'll be the learner. Hey, I was just about to grab a sandwich. Want anything?
Sandwich? You go?
Close. I said, I was just about to grab a sandwich. Want anything?
Oh, so you asked if I want food too?
Yes. Let's break it down. Was just about to means going to do something very soon. Grab a sandwich equals buy a sandwich quickly. Want anything? Do you want something too?
Nice. So next time I hear just about to, I'll know they mean soon.
That's the power of listening with curiosity. Ask, what's the meaning? What are the key words? You don't need to get every word.
Right. Understand the idea, not every sound. Segment 4. Break the fear of not understanding.
Let's talk about something many learners feel. The fear of saying, sorry, I don't understand.
Yeah, people think it sounds bad or weak, but actually it's a powerful skill.
Right. Native speakers do it too. We say, can you repeat that? Sorry, what was that? One more time, please.
These are golden phrases. Let's teach some easy ones now.
I didn't catch that. Could you say it again? Could you speak more slowly? What does that mean? How do you spell that? Repeat those out loud, listeners. Say it with us. Jessica and Jack, I didn't catch that. Could you say it again? Can you speak more slowly? What does that mean? How do you spell that?
Great job! If you can say those with confidence, you're already improving your conversation skills. Segment 5. Build strong listening muscles with shadowing.
One of the best ways to improve listening and speaking is something called shadowing.
Shadowing? Like following someone?
Exactly. You listen to a short sentence and repeat it right after the speaker. Try to match their speed, their tone, and their emotion.
Ah, like an echo.
Yes, let's try it right now. I'll say a sentence. You, listening, repeat right after me. Ready? I slow and clear. I really like your new haircut.
I really like your new haircut.
Perfect. Now faster. I really like your new haircut.
I really like your new haircut.
See, you're training your ears and mouth at the same time.
And your brain gets used to the rhythm of English.
Exactly. Even 5 minutes of shadowing a day can make a big difference. Use your favorite English videos or podcasts. Pause, repeat, shadow.
One step closer to sounding like a native speaker. Segment 6. Repeat, but make it fun.
Some learners say, I get bored repeating the same thing.
Well, then make it fun.
Yes, here are 3 fun ways to make repetition exciting.
1. Change your voice. Try saying the same sentence with different emotions. Happy, angry, sad, excited.
I can't believe you said that. I can't believe you said that.
Drama practice. I love it. 2. Record yourself. Use your phone. Speak. Listen back. Compare with the original speaker.
3. Use music. Pick a slow English song. Listen, sing along. Shadow the singer. It's not karaoke, it's language practice.
I did that with the Beatles. Let it be, let it be.
Me too. Songs are great because they repeat words again and again, and they help with rhythm and pronunciation. Segment 7, pronunciation tips that boost listening.
Let's talk about pronunciation. Some people say, I can't understand native speakers. But really, it's just that we connect words differently.
Yeah, spoken English is super connected. Instead of, what are you doing? We say, what you doing?
Let's break some common phrases down. Jack and Jessica alternating.
Did you eat yet?
Jeet yet.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Going to.
Gonna.
Want to.
Wanna.
Let me.
Lemme.
Give me.
Gimme.
The more you listen to native speech, the more your ears will catch these shortcuts. It's normal. Don't worry.
And once you learn them, you'll start using them naturally too.
Exactly. Listen for the feeling, not just the words. Brick wall 8. Break the wall. Speak while you listen.
Here's a strange idea. Speak while listening.
Wait, won't that make my brain explode?
Maybe, but it's super effective. Try this. While watching a video, pause after each sentence. Repeat it out loud. Try to copy their style and pronunciation.
This is called active imitation. You're not just copying sounds, you're training your brain to think in English.
Also, use your mirror. Look at your mouth when you speak. Compare it to the speaker in the video. It helps with sounds like th or r or v.
And don't worry if it's not perfect. It's practice, not performance.
You're building your English muscles every time you try.
Muscle 9. Build confidence step by step. Let's be honest. Confidence is not magic. It's a skill.
And you build it with small wins.
Start by understanding 3 words, then 1 sentence, then 1 conversation.
Celebrate every win. You listened to 5 minutes without subtitles? Awesome! You understood a joke in a video? High five!
Here are a few small challenges you can try this week.
Watch 1 English video without subtitles. Repeat 5 new sentences every day. Shadow 2 minutes of a podcast. Write down 3 phrases you hear and like.
Do these every day, and in 1 month, you'll feel stronger, faster, and more confident.
You'll be the one saying, "Wow, English is fun now."
Wow, that was a full session. Let's quickly review what we learned today.
We talked about how to improve your English listening with simple habits, repeating short clips, shadowing native speakers, using subtitles the smart way, listening daily, even just 10 minutes.
And don't forget the fun tips too. Music, acting out emotions, watching shows, and using real phrases in real life.
Learning English is not about being perfect. It's about practicing often and staying curious.
So here's your challenge. Up to you. Pick 1 trick from today and try it for 5 minutes.
Then come back and tell us how it went. Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you.
And don't forget, like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and practice what you've just learned.
You've got this. Keep listening, keep smiling, and keep going.
See you next time on Both
Achieve English Podcast.